The trachea divides into two bronchi, with one branch going to each lung. The lungs are the organs that absorb oxygen from the air you inhale. Inside the lungs, the bronchi divide into smaller and smaller branches that resemble the leaves and twigs of a tree. The smaller branches, the bronchioles, end in clusters of tiny air sacs called alveoli. One air sac is called alveolus. The lungs have huge number of alveoli, from 300 to 600 million. This huge number of alveoli gives the lungs a massive surface area for absorbing oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide and water vapor. Lung tissue is spongy and elastic, which allows the lungs to expand and contract as you breathe. Lung mucus and cilia help trap and remove foreign materials and pathogens. The mechanics of breathing involves the muscle of the rib cage and the diaphragm. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle at the base of the rib cage. When you inhale, the muscles of the rib cage contract, causing the rib cage to expand. The diaphragm then flattens and moves downward. The volume of your lungs increases and the air pressure decreases. Falling below the air pressure outside your body, gases move from areas of greater pressure.